You can start talking.
Alright. Hello everyone, Sonic the Hedgehog here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to
It's his, not is.
to his that's what I said.
Yeah, his.
Today I'm gonna be reacting to his videos.
Where Conroy Cat goes online shopping and Slingshot Stunts.
Conroy Cat's Slingshot Stunt and Conroy Cat goes on
online shopping.
Online shopping, yeah. So let's start the video.
Doggy, you got any ideas? Not a mystery kid. Yeah, never mind. Besides, I'm going online shopping. Conroy, why would you go online shopping? I just told you I'm going online shopping. Okay. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today, but let's see here. Free shipping. Free shipping? Wow, I could definitely use one of those. Wait,
Sonic, were you watching some of my videos?
Toy? With Patrick?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Yes, I'm sure.
If I do this,
okay.
This will be good.
Just wanted to make sure you watched some of my videos.
Go.
Okay.
Looks like my work here is done.
And especially, you like the videos from Super Mario Cartoon Mania.
Ordered this on Amazon.
I do, Cobra, I do.
Relax.
Then I hope you enjoy it.
I ordered it on Amazon, so you wouldn't think it's mine. I ordered it. Oh, come on, I just got this on Amazon.
Okay.
Like Toon
You wouldn't even think I got it on
See you
Amazon.
Later.
You
well,
too.
do you?
You think you can have all the stuff you like on Amazon? This is how it is, huh?
Hey, Sonic,
come on, that's the last thing on my mind.
Reacting to
I like Amazon because
Mario's
it's like the worst stuff on Amazon.
See you later.
And stop
You
bringing
too,
that
Abby.
thing in the house. I told you that like 5 times already. I gotta go back to order the stuff on the computer.
Sonic.
I gotta go order
Super
this
Mario.
Lisa
How are you?
plush right now.
I'm feeling okay. I'm just...
You like some of my
what?
videos?
I'll just order this right now. See, that wasn't so bad, huh?
You can buy.
Wait, did you hear something?
Yes.
Why are you on that computer?
That scary
I
sound
would
effect
just order this Lisa Simpson plush from
online shopping
Amazon,
stuff.
Oh, okay.
Man, I gotta do something for my life. Maybe if I can search something up, then it will help me feel better.
Okay. Now let's react
Let me see
to
something real quick.
Conroy Cat's Slingshot Stunt.
Hey, Sonic.
Hey, Conroy.
How are you doing?
I'm still reacting one of Mari's videos.
Don't you mean my videos?
That's exactly
yes.
what I need.
Okay.
An Angry Bird slingshot. That was my
I like that you
chance
react to my
Angry Bird
videos.
slingshot
Well,
stunt
thank you, Conroy.
You're welcome. See you later.
You
Alright,
too.
Doggy, I'm gonna use this slingshot for my stunt. Do you really have to do this? Well, that's what I'm gonna do. Yes. Uh-oh. Conroy, look out!
Whoa.